Hey everyone, it's Anson here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an oil change on the Mark V Supra. These are the parts you're going to need. You can go with OEM oil, but I decided to go with Liqui Moly 020, fully synthetic. Filter, we're going with the factory. I'll list all the part numbers in the description below. It's going to be a 32 for the filter and a 17 for the drain. What you want to do first is pop that cover off, and then we are going to lift the car up. So to lift the cover off, what you want to do is just pull upwards. There are no screws involved, just a couple of tabs that hold it on. And then what you want to do is put that somewhere safe. That's where the oil fill cap is, and the engine oil filter is right there, which we'll get to later. Right there. Now we're going to work on bringing up the car to drain the oil. If you already know how to jack your car up, you can skip this step, or if your car is not lowered, you can skip this step. But we are going to make a layer, or make a ramp of some sort with these pieces of wood. The jacking points, if you guys are interested, it is right here. Right there, that plastic. You can put your jack right there. That's what the top side looks like, so it's right under here by the front wheel well. Once you pull that up, you can put your ramps under. However, in this case, this car is too low, so we got to go with this method. What we're going to do is locate the correct jacking point, which is right there. Oh yeah, one more thing before you guys jack the car up. Make sure the wheels are chalked, car's in park. So we got the Supra owner here, trying to figure out the oil drain pan. What you want to do is twist it. Keep twisting. Okay, put that somewhere safe. And then what we're going to do next is locate the bolt under that circle there. I'll show you closely in a minute. Alright y'all, now that we're under the car, that is where the plastic cap is. Just put your fingers in the two holes like a bowling ball and turn left. As you can see, it says open. Twist that way. Oh shit! Alright, now that you've got the bolt open, I'm going to put this cover somewhere safe. To make it drain faster, we're just going to open up the fill port. Put that right here. And then it should drain much faster. Now what we're going to do next is work on the filter while it's draining, which is right there. Now we're going to put the 32 onto the filter. Have some shop rags around to catch the excess oil. So we just put an extension on it. Now we're going to loosen it. First up. That's loose. What you want to do is have some shop towel around, and then you can pull that right out.
Pull out? What does that sound?
That's the oil draining.
Shut this off.
Yeah, keep going.
It's coming out.
Yeah, once you get it out, use the rag and catch all the oil so it doesn't drip onto the engine. You've pulled out the old filter. What we're going to do next is the O-ring. If you can't take it out by hand, you can use a screwdriver or a pick tool to help you. What we used was a screwdriver. I just put it in and helped it. You could put that on the shop towel. And then just put some oil on that. Your hand's already oily, so just, yeah, that works. Just lube the O-ring. So it helps it seal better around the filter. Yeah, that's good enough. Put it back in the correct position and then plug in the new filter. Make sure you get the right orientation with the O-ring facing this way. Oil it a little bit, and then now we're ready for the reinstall. Make sure when you reinstall it, hand thread it first so you don't strip the threads. And then we're gonna tighten it back down. Right now we're just tightening it back down. Hand tight is fine until the end. And then what we're going to do next is put the drain pan bolt back on with the new washer. Alright, now that you've started off the thread, we're going to finish off tightening it with the ratchet. And then we're going to put the plastic cover back on. Okay, once you've made sure the drain pan bolt is closed, we're going to add oil. So this car takes 6.5 liters of oil, but we're going to put 6 to start and we're going to keep measuring to add the final 500 mil. There we go. Now we're going to lower the car, start it up, measure the engine oil and see how much we're gonna finish off with. Alright, now that we've closed everything up, we're gonna put the cover back on, let the engine run for a bit, and I'm gonna show you guys how to reset the service light. Awesome. Make sure you didn't leave any tools on the edge as you close the hood. Alright, now that you've done your oil change, in order to reset the service light, make sure your foot is not on the brake. And what we're going to do next is hit this start button 3 times. This is what your dash is going to look like. Pretty much ignition on. I'm going to turn the air off. Then what you're going to want to do is, there's a button on the bottom left here. You want to hold that. And then this menu will pop up. In order to scroll through this menu, you just click it quickly. In order to reset the actual profile you want to reset, what you want to do is hold this button once you get on it. Reset, confirm, so you're going to hold it again. You should get the reset successful. And then on your multimedia display, it'll show you with the new updated in 15,000. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. Let me know if you guys got any questions. You can leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.